Hello and welcome to this short video by Big Toe Web Design. Watching this video will help you choose the website that suits your needs. As your website designer, I need some information from you about what you want from your website, and hopefully this video will help you decide on that. So where do we start? The first thing to come up with really is a list of pages that you want on the website. And then after that, the decision of whether you want a website which is designed from scratch or one that's off the shelf. So, list of pages. All sites have a home page, so your site will have a home page as well. And I recommend an about and contact page as well. That might be an about us and about me page, some information about yourself or your business, and the contact page will be details of how to get in touch with you. Also, you'll have the bulk of your website will probably be specifics about the services and products that you provide, and there are a whole host of ways that you can provide this. Maybe it'll be through photo galleries, maybe it'll be through written content, maybe it's an online shop that you want, maybe you're selling something, maybe it's a map to get to your brick and mortar premises. So let's have a look at some examples. So this is Barnes Textiles, a site that I have recently completed, and they have the contact page, the about us page, the home page here, which is kind of an intro page on all websites. But there is also the bulk of the website's made up with an online shop. So if we click through, you've got a list of their products, and you can click through to them, scroll down, and you can actually go ahead and add these to a shopping cart and buy them. If we look at another site, this is RGK Detailing, and they have an extensive portfolio. So that's a photo gallery which really describes some of the work they've done when they're detailing these cars. So there's a photo for each car, and then when you click on it, you go through to a slideshow which has some information about the detailing that they've carried out on the car. You can see before and after shots, and you can also scroll down and click through to shots, specific shots of the work they've done. And this page is really central to their business in that it shows off the work that they've done and gives people confidence that they have experience in the detailing business. Okay, moving on. Another website here is Sing in the City. It's a local Edinburgh choir, and they have contact, about us, and they really have information about events, photo gallery, band, choir, so the nights they have, and wedding, corporate, and gallery, so some other things that they offer. So if we were, say, to look at their events page, it's got upcoming events, their concerts. And I could go on and give you plenty of other examples, but I think that's plenty. So that's really a list of pages. If you come up with a list of pages for me, then the site can start to take shape. So next question is, do you want a bespoke design site or an off-the-shelf site? So what's the difference between them? The bespoke site is totally unique. It's designed right from the beginning, and the off-the-shelf site is designed from a template, so it has a standard structure. Now it still can look quite unique because there are unique colors, fonts, and headers. One of the main differences with these sites is the flexibility you have with the bespoke design site. It can really be whatever you want it to be, whereas the off-the-shelf ones, there are more constraints, although there is some flexibility. Going along with that, the price is different because the off-the-shelf site is a lot quicker to do, so it's a lot cheaper as well. So let's have a look at a couple of bespoke and off-the-shelf all the sites we looked at, Barnes Textiles and RGK and Choir, Singing the City, Choir, are all unique sites, and you can see they've got unique looks like this hover over the navigation. Is something you wouldn't be able to get in a standard site. And if we move to some other standard sites, you can see that they can still look unique. This is a website I did for Cal MacLeod recently, who's an academic. And you can see he's chosen rotating banners, actually, which is an optional extra. It's rotating images in the header, which does add to the uniqueness of the site. The colours are flexible, and you can see he's got his logo in the top as well, which is obviously is unique, and the font is unique, but it's the structure of the site that's the same. So if we look at another site, this is a rock climbing, mountaineering, guiding site, you can see that it looks quite different. It's a totally different colour scheme. It's using rotating banners as well as an optional extra. But you can see that the shape of the site's the same, so you have a menu across here, and you've got menu in the side as well. You can see with Calms that there aren't quite as many options, so it's a shorter menus, but similar kind of structure. And if we look at a couple more of these, you can see the difference in them and the similarities. And lastly, a Sustainable Estates website. Okay, so that's really the choice you have between bespoke and off the shelf. So hopefully this video has been useful for you, and now you can decide on which pages to have on your website and whether you want a bespoke design or an off the shelf site. That's all from Big Toe Web Design. Thank you.